Alright, so I'm Rob McCormick. This is Peter House. And this is Becca or Eyeway.
Yes.
And our friend Andy. Andy, what's your last name? Thorson. That's a crazy awesome last name. Thorson. Hope you like it. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless streams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, and my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light. Say the night, the sound of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs their voices never share. No one dared disturb the sound of silence. Tonight you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you. But my words like silent raindrops fell, echo in the wells of silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming, and the sign said the words of the promise God written on the subway walls, determined halls, and whispers in the sound of silence. All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for the daily races, going nowhere, and the tears are filling up their glasses. No expression, no expression. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow. And I find it kind of funny, I find it kind of sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell, I find it hard to tell. When people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world. Children waiting for the day they feel good. Happy birthday, and I feel the way that every child should. Sit and listen, dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, find it hard to tell. People run in circles, it's a very, very matter.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. If you like to hear it, please show time at 7:30. We're rocking.